everyone, welcome to the official channel of Prime InfoServe. I'm Shomnita. Today we are diving into the exciting world of Web Application Penetration Testing or WAPT. First thing first, what exactly WAPT is? WAPT is a systematic process of probing and testing web applications to identify security vulnerabilities. It's all about finding the weak spots in web applications before the bad guys do. In simpler terms, WAPT is like a security checkup of your website, ensuring it's safe and secure from potential cyber threats. Why is WAPT so important? Well, web applications are often the front line of your digital presence. A single vulnerability can lead to data breaches, financial loss, and also reputational damage. By performing regular WAPT, organizations can protect sensitive information, maintain customer trust, and comply with industry regulations. It's a crucial part of a robust cybersecurity strategy. Now, let's talk about some common web vulnerabilities. First of all, we have SQL injection, where attackers can manipulate database query to gain unauthorized access to data. Next is cross-site scripting, which allows attackers to inject malicious script into web pages viewed by other users. Other common web vulnerabilities include cross-site request forgery or CSRF, security misconfigurations, broken access control, and sensitive data exposure. Each of these can be devastating if left unchecked. To perform effective WAPT, we rely on a variety of tools, which include WAPT, WASP-ZAP, and Nikto. WAPT is a comprehensive platform for performing security testing of web applications. WASP-ZAP is a powerful open source tool for finding vulnerabilities in web applications. And then there is Nikto, an open source web server scanner that detects outdated software and configuration issues. These tools are our best friend in the WAPT journey, which helps us to find and secure web applications. Finally, let's talk about secure coding practices. These are essential for preventing vulnerabilities from being introduced in the first place. Use input validation to ensure data is properly sanitized before processing. Implement proper authentication and authorization mechanisms to control access. Always keep your software and dependencies up to date to patch known vulnerabilities. By following secure coding practices, developers can create more secure web applications and can reduce the risk of cyber attack. That's it for today's video on Web Application Penetration Testing or WAPT. We hope you found this information valuable. If you did, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more cybersecurity tips and tutorials. See you again next time and stay secure.